All right, so both the teacher and the student are now in the class. So this is the teacher here, Jamaica Reeves, and the student, Tom Reader. Tom Reader is using his mobile device for this class. It is turned in landscape mode, meaning it's turned sideways, so he can see the board and everything. Now, if the teacher asks Tom Reader to write the word man on the screen, Tom Reader will look on the left side, or you will look on the left side of your screen in this little white box here, and you'll see some tools. You will see a pencil. You may see a highlighter. It's not there for everyone, but it might be there for you. Sometimes you'll see the highlighter and not the pencil, but the pencil will be above the highlighter, and you just need to adjust your screen a little bit so you can see everything. Then click on the pencil. And if you're using a mouse, then you want to hold down on the left part of the mouse and start writing. Well, we should be writing man. Yes? So that's how you would write. Now you can use your finger to write this. Okay? So Tom Reader is now using his finger on his mobile device. And write the word with your finger. Just write with your finger on your screen. Or if you have an S Pen, you can also do that. If you're using a tablet or a computer, use the mouse. You can change the color of your pencil right here where you see the circle. Click on that circle and choose the color you want. Let's say in this case, we want this. I don't even know what kind of color blue this is, but we're going to go with that, right? And you also want to make the pencil not so big. You change the width right here. Notice these numbers are changing. Change the width right there. And once you do that, you will now be able to write like that. So notice it looks much more like a pencil now, but a pretty little color. So you can do that. Yes? And so here is where you change the color and you change the width or how broad your pencil point will be, right? And you just close it. The other option is to type rather than write, which many people prefer to do in some instances. It saves space and so on. You want to click on that T right there. And then once you've clicked on the T, click in the white space again. You can change how big or small you want your font to be, right? By moving the number. This might not, this is going to bring up your keyboard, sorry. And so now when it brings up the keyboard on your phone, for example, or your tablet, you just start to type again. Once you're done typing, you click enter to go down in the same box if you want, or to come out of the box. You might want to click on the arrow that pops up as well to move your keyboard out of the way. And that's how you would type on your keyboard. Now you want to erase these right here. This is the eraser. Notice when you click on the eraser, you will have a bin. The bin suggests that you're going to clear everything by just making a sweep. Or if you want to, you can just use the eraser to erase one little piece at a time. Yes, so you do that and you take one piece at a time. And those are the main tools that you're going to be using in the class. The other tools are for the teacher. So you won't see this arrow. You'll see this one because you can undo something you've done, but you won't see this one. That's for the teacher. And the rest is really just your audio and your microphone. And if the teacher does not give you access to these writing tools, you won't be able to write. But if the teacher asks you to write and you can't because you don't have access, and you will see if they're enabled for you, you just tell the teacher. If it's gray, it's not enabled. That means you can't write. You can't turn on your camera, you can't turn on a video. But once it is blue, that means you can. So you will be able to write like that. And that's how you use the tools inside the Merit Hub classroom for Jamaica Reads. Thank you.